Alright, I wanted to demo or go over how you can figure out what that F sharp diminished is. So, the way I look at it, the way I like to go about figuring out chords that you may not remember the shape of, or you don't know the shape at all. You find something that you do know and kind of go from there. Just like when you were taking, like that major shape there, if you know that's your 1, 3, and 5, you can flat the third to get it minor, you can flat the 5 to make that diminished. So if you know a minor bar chord, you can go from there. That's pretty much what you're going to have to do. So if you don't know a minor bar chord, you do know the E minor chord. Basically how you do is you think of it like you're playing this bar. You got your finger behind the nut here. So you just slide up everything until you get to an F sharp minor. So with this is one of these instances where you also need to be able to identify what your intervals are. So that's your 1, that's your 5, it's the 1 again. That should be a really easy chord shape to identify because it's power chord, just the 5th chord. Anyway, so 1, 5, 1. That's the flat 3 right there. And then this is 5 again. That's 1 again. So you go through what you have and you change what you need to make it diminished. So the only difference between the minor and the diminished is the flat 5. Minor's got a perfect 5th, diminished has got the flat 5. So 1, 5, you got to flat that. So now you have 1, flat 5, 1, flat 3, and technically you need to flat that again, but that becomes a big pain in the butt. So B diminished chord, we have 4 strings. F sharp diminished, you're going to have 4 strings as well. First finger, third finger, fourth finger, second. First, third, fourth, second finger. Second fret, third fret, fourth fret, second fret. So when you do the key of F chords, use as many open chords as you can. Bar chords are fine as well. See, when you do the first chord for the key of F, you're going to be doing just an F bar chord. But remember, you want to make sure you know what those notes are for the key of F. So how do you figure that out? You use an F major scale. So you just go through those notes and you can write them out so you know where all your root notes are going to be and go from there. And the first chord is always going to be major, then minor, minor, major, major, minor, diminished. So another big, a lot of times when you can't figure out an open chord, usually just a bar chord is fine. So just give it the best you got for the key of F, and take this idea of, like, if you don't know what a particular chord is going to be, find something that you do know and see if you can change that, manipulate that into the chord shape that you need. So I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, please let me know. As soon as you get things filled out, send it over and I can give you some more stuff so we can keep working on things throughout the week. Alright, talk to you soon.